Guided meditation. Choose your breathing anchor. Sit with your back straight and your body relaxed, resting your hands gently on your knees, and close your eyes if you're comfortable doing so. Notice what it feels like to breathe in and out right now. We pay attention to the feeling of our breath where we notice it the most. It can be at our nostrils or near our nose. It can be the chest or the belly. Bringing our awareness to these parts of the body as we breathe in and out will help us relax and focus on the present moment. Now notice the sensations that you might be feeling just at the nostrils. It could be the touch of the air at your upper lip, maybe the touch of the air in the sides of the nostrils, or even the touch of the air at the back of the throat. Can you feel it? Next, bring your attention to the chest. Can you feel the movement of your chest as you inhale? The body expands, and as you exhale, the body contracts. The chest moves open as we inhale and relax as we exhale. Can you feel your chest moving when you breathe? Now place your attention on the rising and the falling of your belly. Feel the movement of your breathing there. With your back straight and the body relaxed, bring your attention to your natural breathing. Notice where you feel the movement of your breath most easily. Is it at the nostrils, your chest, or your belly? Whichever you choose, that's the place I'll be talking about when I use the word anchor. We're going to use this anchor for the rest of this meditation. So if you need to check again to see where it's easiest to feel your breathing right now, go ahead. Now lightly rest your attention on your anchor and see if you can keep your body relaxed at the same time. This is how we rest in the feeling of the movement of our breath. If the mind wanders away from your anchor, gently bring your attention back again. Now continue to rest your attention on your anchor and watch the breathing. If the mind wanders off, gently bring it back. And we're going to spend the remaining moments of this meditation without the guidance. When you're ready, open your eyes and gently move the body if you need to. Take a breath and notice how you feel.